All right, you guys, so we have our reveal here. We're just gonna start opening it. So I kind of was going for sort of like a sunflowery flower something. I don't know. That's why I kind of did the brown in the center. It depends on what it looks like when we open it up, but I think it's gonna look cool. A giveaway should be coming soon on my Facebook. We have that butterfly tapestry that we did, and probably this one going on there for a winner's choice giveaway. And I don't think I have much else with news going on right now. We're gonna be doing a couple more spiral experiments, a lot more shirts. Oh, and I will be doing some shaving cream tie-dye here soon. I have a hat and a bunch of pairs of shoes that I'm gonna do because I feel like they're gonna look cool. So there's that too. Shaving cream tie-dye. It's gonna be awesome. Sorry, I'm trying to fill the silence because I don't want it to be awkward while I'm looking into your eyes. But I think this tapestry is going to turn out cool. I was having a hard time figuring out which colors I wanted to do or how I wanted to do it, because originally this was going to be an ice dye. And I was like, no, we gotta do an H.W.I again. So we picked some colors that would go good together. If I can get the sinew off. It's hard to do with my gloves. There. Alrighty, here we go. Oh, that's pretty. Alright, so that was pretty much a sunflower, a pretty orangish looking sunflower, but don't forget that the washed and dried version is at the end of this video. You're going to want to see that because it always looks different after you wash it. So in case you didn't know, I have links in my description box for everything I use in my video. So hemostats, sinew, kite string, all that stuff is down there, so if you need any of it, click on it, buy it. That's for your convenience. That way you don't have to go looking for it. You know exactly what I'm using. Thank you so much for watching. Happy tie-dyeing.